Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing moisturizing cream by Up Up brand. This is Target's brand, and they say it's comparable to CeraVe's moisturizing cream, which is my favorite. So want to see how close this is to the name brand CeraVe one. Show you guys the outside. All right, unboxing experience. Oh, I just used some of the CeraVe one, so my hands are okay. So no protective seal like the CeraVe one, but let's see. Oh, texture-wise, pretty good. You see, maintains its shape. Let's see. Oh, it actually feels pretty similar to CeraVe's. So, yeah, definitely want to try this since Up Up has their copy of CeraVe. So, definitely give this a shot. Definitely think it's worth it from initial impression on the feel and everything. It does feel very similar. So, hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Talk to you later. Bye.